So Bianca went to the dollar store.
Oh yeah, another thing.
Oh, and she got her friend another present. So a Care Bear calendar. And of course, she got herself some pretzels. What'd you do with the pretzels I bought?
I ate them all.
And the Cheez-It ones?
No, the Cheez-Its are still around.
Can I have the Cheez-It ones then, please?
You have whatever's left of it.
Oh, fantastic.
Just Cheez-Its.
That's fine.
It's vanilla brown sugar.
Vanilla brown sugar lotion.
And I got some Band-Aids.
Yay, Band-Aids.
And no one's going to steal my Band-Aids.
You got 3 boxes of Band-Aids
Yes.
for yourself.
Yes.
That's kind of
Every
crazy.
time when I look around this house, there's no Band-Aids.
This is true. Just put it in the thing. Oh, are those new?
I don't know.
Let me see. I can't see. Oh yeah, these are her antibiotics. Okay, so you don't want to put those in the thing.
I got Blistex.
Some more Blistex.
But the chocolate one. And then John got me some soups.
Oh, that's nice of John. Bianca loves beef and barley Campbell soup.
And if we ever get keys in this dang household,
Okay,
little
That's cute.
cactuses.
cute.
Ooh, to put your keys on.
And then she also got these emoji pillows, which are like $10 at Walmart, and they were only $1 each at the Dollar Tree. So
There's like another one, but I was like, no, I like these better.
because she really loves emoji things. I'm just glad you didn't get the ice cream one that everybody says is poop.
There was none.
Good. I hate those so much. So that's it.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's a small haul from my daughter. I gave her $20 because she was going to be stuck out near where the Dollar Tree is for a few minutes while John was in a appointment, because she had an appointment too, but hers ended before his. So I was like, I gave her a little money because she had a doctor's appointment today. A couple of them. So, you like that lotion?
The more you rub it, the more you smell the brown sugar.
Okay. So, happy Vlogmas. So, since I'm not feeling all that great, I ordered Domino's. Got myself some pepperoni and mushroom. I had a free pizza owed me, so that works out for me. So I'm having a cup of tea. It is vanilla chamomile from Salada Organic Herbal Tea. I'm hoping that will help with my chest because I seem to be getting some sort of chest cold or something, which is not good. So it's not like I don't have enough health issues. So yeah, doing that. I got vapor rub. Yeah. See if I can do something about this, but I am having trouble breathing. Like when I bend over to do stuff, it gets worse. I don't know what that means. I might have to see the doctor, but I keep putting it off and procrastinating, and I really shouldn't. So I'm gonna wash some brushes and So yeah, now they're all on their stand. And that's all I'm washing tonight because bending over is already put me out of breath. I'm pretty sure I have some sort of chest cold. Happy holidays. And remember to share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And remember, always be kind, even when you want to slap them in the face. Happy Vlogmas.